Praise Yahweh. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Welcome to another episode with Bat Caleb Consultant. Praise Yahweh. Let's get started. Today, we are going to do part two of businesses least likely to fail in the age of AI. Everyone is like super concerned, like, oh my gosh, AI is going to put me out of business. No. What type of business do you operate? Let's go. And as always, we give all thanks and praises to our God Yahweh, and we start off with a scripture. Proverbs 22:29 says, Seest thou a man diligent in his business? He shall stand before kings. He shall not stand before mean men. Don't you want to be standing in the presence of greatness? I'm not saying the kings are great, but remember, Yahweh's the one who put them in power. When I say stand in the midst of greatness, is you being great. You have wealth, you have power, and other people have power. Okay? Research kings. All right. Diligence is what makes a business AI proof. Yahweh promises that anyone who's excellent in their work will always be in demand, regardless of technology, economy, or competition. Excellence makes you unreplaceable, irreplaceable. Your skill, your wisdom, your compassion, and leadership cannot be replaced by machines. No, 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 it cannot. So, some of the businesses that AI will not replace: childcare and educational services. Parents want human supervision and emotional connection. So, you're talking about daycares, after school programs, tutoring, skill training, test prep, career development coaching. AI can teach, but it cannot raise your children. AI don't have that emotional stability. Home services, you're talking about cleaning, landscaping, pest control, pressure washing, renovation services. AI can clean, but they can't get the nooks and crannies and deep clean like they're supposed to. No AI robot is replacing these anytime soon at all. Then, legal, regulatory, and compliance work. Laws requires human. You can, chat GPT it and get it online, but when you're talking about a notary, what AI is going to be a notary? A compliance consultant, an audit support, real estate closing agents. AI can help, but they cannot sign, certify, or legally authorize anything. Check it. When we're talking about now spiritual leadership, counseling, and teaching, do you want an AI preacher? Do you want an AI counselor? Do you want an AI teacher to teach you the Bible? Do you want an AI to do community development for you? People trust humans, not machine. They trust humans for spiritual guidance. Mobile repair services. People will always need physical repairs. You're talking about phone repair, appliance repair, small engine repair. These businesses like that, they're low startup costs. The startup cost varies generally low for tools and parts. But who's going to repair your phone, your appliance, and your small engines? Come on. The businesses least likely to fail with AI, you're talking about trades and repairs, healthcare and personal care, food production and distribution, logistics and transportation, beauty and self-care, childcare and human education, home services, legal and compliance, spiritual leadership, and personal branding and influence. They have influencers out there, but people want real people. Let's go. Glory to Yahweh, praise Yahweh. That is part two. And if you have any more, please go ahead and post them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Reach out to us at Botclip Consultant. Don't forget to put in the comments if you have a business that you're running right now and you know AI can't replace you, share it with others so others can get into it. Each one teach one and we'll learn from each other. Iron sharpen iron. Praise Yahweh. Shalom.